You guys ready? You guys ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
What's up guys, today I'm at Organic Homes Farm. In this game mode is Team Deathmatch. We had a pretty large group out there that day, and I'm sorry if the video is shaky. I was a little frantic to get behind this tree line. Mitch and I are going behind these trees to stay stealthy, so they won't see us. They're going to be rushing that side of the barn, so we have to be careful. We've been spotted, so I have to act quickly.
Get down, get down.
My friend's gun is jammed, so I cannot help her in time. I have to move forward. When I move up, I have to be careful because my teammate was just shot, and I have to make sure there are no enemies ahead.
Stay there. Okay.
I don't hear any more shots to my left, so I decided to check anyway. But now, since I don't hear any noise, there must be people to the right of me, so I have to check there. My teammate's just been hit. I have to retreat because the forest may be too big for me to handle at the moment alone. My teammate has asked me to come up there because I have a scope on my gun which allows me to see further into the distance. One of the enemies is out in the field, so I have to shoot him through my scope. I've been told there's no one else on the entering team other than the ones out in the field, so I make my move. I did not shoot the sniper because I realized he was already going to hit. I overshot him a little bit, sorry.
You out? Is that game?
the person in the field who just been shot is the last person on the enemy team, therefore we have won a victory.
Is that game?
Thanks guys for watching my first gameplay. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe for more content. See you later.